this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your site here, you guys have a great setup. These forms, that really helps with your conversion rates. One thing that I would recommend would be to have some more content on your homepage. The reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7, and so they are going through here, seeing all the content that you have on here, what your photos are saved as, looking for keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is foundation repair Corpus Christi TX. And whenever your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up are some ads here. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And it's great that you all are ranking because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you all are ranking here is having that Google business profile with more citations. And so you want to make sure that you always have more citations than your competitors, and then keep up with your 5-star reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And I see that you guys are ranking down the page. And that's great that you all are on the first page here, because 90% of people will stay on the first page. The higher up you are, the more traffic you'll be getting. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword. CC Foundation Repair. Looks like you guys are already outdoing them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. I have the CC Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs, and we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website, and they have 12 and 0.5 as their ratings. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 231 backlinks coming from 38 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to note here that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are also spammy ones that will bring them down. So you do want to be intentional with your backlinking. And CC Foundation Repair, they have 58 keywords on their website. And so let's go on over to yours and take a look. I have your website plugged into Ahrefs here. The first thing that I notice is that you guys have some great ratings here. You guys have a great, powerful, authoritative site. And so that is super good. And that's coming from these backlinks that you have and the referring domains. And so there is something that's going on that is hindering you from ranking as the #1 website. So you would want to see what that is, whether that is the load speed of your website, or if there's some quality backlinks, or there's a few things that could be hindering you from ranking even higher. So you would want to address that, because you want to make sure that this power is working in your favor, because you guys do have some great power here. And then you all have 181 keywords on your website. And so let's take a look at some of the keywords. Corpus Christi Foundation Repair, 350 are searching for that every single month. Foundation Repair Corpus Christi, 350. 100, 100, 100, 100. And so there are quite a few buyer intent keywords for the services that you provide in the area that you service. And so you would want to get as much traffic as you can for the buyer intent keywords, because the more traffic for the buyer intent keywords, the more customers that you would be getting. And so making sure that your Google business profile is ranking for all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you. and then having your website ranking even higher. And so what you could do is figure out what's going on. You do have a powerful site. If you want it even more powerful, you could get more high quality backlinks, making sure that you have good content on your website, as well as all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you. And then I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.